Lisa Hanna put out a post on her Instagram. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I haven't seen it, but I heard about
You
it.
hear about? What's your opinion of her post? She's
Take
saying
off,
that.
off radio.
I should have asked you that because you have a collaboration with.
Yeah, I mean, but regardless,
Right.
I'm a representative for good music, great music. I listen to Kartel from a long time, right? Alkaline, as we know, he is a good artist as well.
Yes.
No matter who hates him, them still can't deny the fact that he's a good artist.
Ask me these things. Alka is a bad artist.
Alright. Kartel for sure. Him are the world boss.
Immortal.
To me, him have the most fans right now. Secondly, Mavado, he's a very good artist as well. If you remove them people there from dancehall, as men, if you remove them people there from dancehall,
be careful, you know. Because you have some other names where you have to call where they go dancehall.
No. Actually, I do veteran song, so I mean, I acknowledge a lot of artists, even upcoming artists, them bad too.
Be careful, when they want to talk about dancehall, call Bounty.
You got ear Bounty and Beanie them and have a freestyle bill. But yeah, I mean, Beanie Man himself and Bounty knows I'm rating too, of course, so. I know them not primo for this, but I'm just saying if you even remove, it's just a instance, right? Example. If you remove them from dancehall, what go on?
Problem.
Is either you're a Gully fan, you're a Popcorn fan, you're a Gaza fan, or a Vendetta fan.
So can't you be everybody? Like I'm a fan of everybody.
I'm a fan of everybody too.
God, like nobody can draw me in a no argument about camp, right?
Same with me.
I'm a fan of the music. I'm a fan of the
Same
music.
with me. Same with me.
I'm a fan of dance hall. Artists will come and go, but dancehall will remain.
Always. And let me tell you, I am not on any side. Only team there in a Romish Entertainment. I am a fan of Kartel music. Yes. I am a fan of Alkaline music, Movado, Bounty, Beanie, Spice, everybody. Nobody can tell me where we go. A Romish Entertainment and a Shenseea this.